What's going on, YouTubers? Today I thought I'd show you what I just picked up. Bought me a new pistol, brought it home to be part of the family now, and I figured I'd show you what's in the box. So let me get the camera and I'll show you. We're opening up the box. As you can see, it comes with this nice carrying case. Tell by the thing on top of it, it's a Springfield. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Dun dun dun! Springfield XD Mod 2. So first thing we see, looks like it comes with some gun oil, Lucas gun oil. That's pretty cool. Handgun safety, important. Read that later. This is my information from the store. Comes with a standard clip. Looks like 13 bullets. And then it's got the extended clip, which holds 16. Comes with a nice little brush. Nice lock, so lock it away in case you got kids and stuff. You want to make sure you lock up your gun so little hands don't get in it. Oh. Comes with these nice little sights, so you can change out your sights if you like. That's pretty cool. And then the nice little handgun. Ain't she beautiful? I like this grip zone. It's nice, feels good. As you can see, it's got the red sight on it right now. And if I wanted to, I could take that out and put the green one in there. The extended clip gives more room for your hands if you got bigger hands. Gives it a nice feel. Button to release magazines right there. And the standard clip is nice. Nice, good little feel. A little bit better for conceal and carry, I'm sure. As you can see, it's the Subcompact Springfield. It's got this nice little grip zone. I like the feel of that. It's got a little safety magnet. Has a little safety feature right back here, so your hand has to be on it before you can pull this trigger. It's got the double trigger mechanism right there. So you can see it gives a nice feel. I like the extended clip a little bit better myself because it just fits my hands a little bit better. I kind of like the red sight. I might change it to the green, but right now I'm going to keep it with the red. But that's pretty much what's in the box. I'll take it out, take it to the shooting range, do a video of that, and then I will show you guys how to take it apart and clean it on my next video. So I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing of my new Springfield XD Mod 2. It's the 3.3 barrel, so I wanted something that was more compact to carry, and this looks like it'll do the job. I like the extra bullets. I know it's double stacked. A lot of people like the single stacks, but I kind of like the extra bullets in the clip. Again, it's the 3.3 barrel Springfield Mod 2 Subcompact. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and please subscribe and watch my next video on taking it out to the shooting range and how to take it apart and clean it. Till then, later.